Hello, my dear Goenkans of grade 3. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear Goenkans, I welcome you all in today's mathematics class. Today, we are going to do HOTS of mixed bag from skill section. But before starting, let me tell you what HOTS refers to. HOTS refers to skills that go beyond memorizing information. Now, let us start. Let me read question 1 for you. Question 1 is, I had 132 marbles with me. I got 44 more from one friend and gave away 50 to another friend. How many marbles do I have now? In this case, we have to see the received marble is 44 and the marble I gave away is 50. I am giving more than what I am receiving. So, 44 is less than 50. So, the marbles that I have now will be less than 132. Okay? Received marbles are less than the given out marbles. Therefore, there will be less than 132 marbles with me. Question 2. If the letters A to Z are given the values of 1 to 26 in the same order. Okay, first see how you are going to give values. You are going to write all the letters from A to Z, then give values to them like this. So every letter will get a value. Now, then the sum of values I and which letter is 20. So I and some other letter is having a value of 20. We have to first find the value of I. E is having 5 value, F6, G7, H8, I is having 9 value. And this we don't know, this will be X. Okay. And here we will write 20. Now, we have to find the X number. So, what we will do, we will shift 9 by this side. And when we will put it here, it will get subtracted to 20. Okay. 20 minus 9 is 11. So we got the value 11. Now we have to see which letter is having 11 value. I was having 9, J is having 10, K is having 11 value. So the correct option is K. I represents 9 and K represents 11. Therefore, 20 minus I, that is equal to 11. Okay. So, 11 is the value of K. This is another way that you can use to get the correct option. That is K. Question 3 is 1234 added to which number will give an answer of 1344. Okay. What we are given? We are given 1234 plus some number, that is X. We will put it like X. Let the number be X is equal to 1344. Okay. Now you will shift it to this side, right hand side, and it will get subtracted to the number, and we will get 1344 minus 1234 is equal to how much? 110. So X is the number, X is the addend that is added to 1234, which will give us 1344, and it is 110. Moving to next question, question 4. Which of the following numbers could be the sum of 122 and 2-digit number? See, we have to find all options. We have to just go through all options, that 130 is equal to, we have to first write this addend. Then when we add 8 to 122, we will get 130. Second is 222. When we add 100 to this number, that is 122, that is our first addend, we will get 222 done. Third is 146. So first addend we have to put 122, and 122, when 24 is added to it, we will get 146. Fourth is 124. Okay, when we will add 2 to 122, it will give me 124. Now see, only this option is giving me the correct response. That is, the question is demanding that we have to add 2-digit number. In this case, we got 1-digit number that is added to the first addend. In this case, I got 3-digit number that is added to first given addend. In this case, 1. So these all are not correct according to the question. This is the one that is correct, 146. It is giving me the first as an addend as 122 and a 2-digit number as second addend. So we got 146. Question 5. Manju travels 124 km by bus and 242 km by car. Okay, and Manish travels 242 km by bus and 124 km by car. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, Manju has traveled more than Manish. Okay, so I have to find the sum first, right? I have to see the total distance they have traveled. 4 plus 2 makes 6, 4 plus 2 makes 6, and 2 plus 1 makes 3. 2 plus 4 makes 6, 4 plus 2 makes 6, 2 plus 1 makes 3. So the sum is same. 366 here, 366 here. Oh, I got it. It is order property, right? It is order property of addition where we change the order of addends but the sum remains same. So they both have traveled the same distance. Let me find now the correct option. Manju has traveled more than Manish. No. Manju has traveled more than Manju. Manish has traveled more than Manju. No. They have traveled the same distance. Yes, this is the correct. D option is we require more information to answer the question. No, the information is sufficient given here to solve the question. So both have traveled the same distance. Distance traveled by both is same. That is 124 km plus 242 is equal to 242 km plus 124 km. That is the order property of addition. So student, this was all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.